This is the first video in a new series on unique resume situations. This is going to be tackling, whereas the resume tutorial playlist, that covers just kind of generally how to build a resume. This is going to cover specific situations of people that I helped with their resume. So these are real resumes we're going to be going through where I was given permission by the person to include them. These are going to include some situations, like one situation is going to be a really long resume. Like I think it was maybe 5 pages, and it had like 25 different positions, something around that, of all these different shows that they were a part of because they were in the entertainment industry. And I condensed that with a person. We condensed it down to 1 page, and so you're going to see that example. We're also going to go through a counselor resume and a new grad resume, and different examples. They're going to be real resumes that I've helped with. I think this playlist is going to be interesting for, one, it might just be kind of interesting to watch. Like you might be like, hey, how do you put 25 positions on a resume, on a 1-page resume? How do you do that? What did you do to make that work? That might be interesting for you. But also, if you or a friend of yours is in that industry and they are wondering, like, how do I do this? Like maybe they're a counselor, they're like, how do I position myself on a resume? How do I showcase my skill set on a resume when I'm a counselor, or I'm a new grad, or I'm in the entertainment industry? These are some of the examples we're going to go through, and so you might be able to get some interesting information out of that, especially if you're have a very similar job category that you're interested in as that person was. So more to come, but lots of there's going to be lots of unique examples that we can go through, and the channel as a whole is going to have a new video every Wednesday. So stay tuned, and there'll be more to come. If you are interested in getting help yourself with your resume, I'm going to have a link to austinresumehelp.com, which is where you can sign up for resume help. And there's more detail and information on the site about what that looks like. But yeah, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on the video. But thanks so much for watching.